1.618 is a number that encompasses the best designs and best aesthetics, along with the symbol of love and countless offerings. One of the most important properties of this number is that it continues forever in an unpredicted manner, and that it is impossible to count all of the digits inside this number. It is very meaningful for those who are looking for a sign to the divine truth that in the verse of the golden ratio with the number 1618, it states that this number is related to God's distinguished and beautiful offerings, so that it is not possible to count it. Quran has described itself in one way as a book with repetitions, and in the verse it is stated that the beauty of the book lies in this repetitive nature. Allah brought down the most beautiful word as a repetitive book, Anbiya 47. The wholly distinguished seal in the repetition of the mathematical values in Quran's surah and verse numbers also points us toward another magnificent structure which depicts the golden ratio. When the numerical values of the verses are divided into two parts as repetitive and non-repetitive, then it can be seen that the ratio between them gives 1.680. In the Quran, each surah has two mathematical values, with one as the order number and the other as the verse number. Al-Baqarah surah, order number 2, verse number 286. 286 plus 2 equals 288, the mathematical value of the Al-Baqarah surah. And this result can be expressed as the total numerical value. You see the numerical values of all the surahs, chapters in the Quran. Some of these numbers are repeated, while some of them are not. For example, the numerical values of the human surah and the Al-Buruj surah are 107. Due to this, they are in a group of surahs, or chapters, where numerical values are repeated. The surah of Al-Fatiha has a numerical value of 8, and since no other surah has this value, it is in the group where the numerical values are not repeated. The sum of the surah values which are repeated, such as the human surah and Al-Buruj, is 7,906. The sum of the numerical values of the surahs where the numerical value is unique and doesn't repeat itself is 4,885. Golden ratio 7,906 over 4,885 equals 1.618. Thus, the ratio of the repeated surah values to the non-repeated ones would exactly give the golden ratio. Holy mysteries are continuing.